In the previous part, we have overview signals in the diagram. Now we are going to add these functions to the device in DIGSI. The first function is 21N, this stands protection. First, we have to add function group line to this device from the global library. Line 1 is added. Now we can add distance protection to this group. Next function, 67N, directional overcurrent protection function. Next one is DTL. As it was shown, we have two external trip signals, DTL and DTT. Add external trip function and rename the function belongs to DTL and DTD. FI or 50BF, it is circuit breaker failure protection function, and we have to add this function to the circuit breaker function group. Switch on to fault. Yes, we can add this function to the line function group. Based on the diagram, we have added all related functions to the line function group. And as you can see, the relevant information of each information is also added to the information routing matrix. Okay, next we should add circuit breaker function group and add CBF and TCS to this group. Let's rename it to the same name as in the project. FiftyBF and TCS, trip circuit supervision, should be added to the circuit breaker function group. Yes, here as you may remember, TCS has two binary inputs. Two disconnector switches also connected to the relay, so we have to add these two switches also here. Let's add these two disconnector switches and rename them based on the project. Okay, we have added all functions to the device, and now we should configure the binary input and output in information routine matrix. Let's continue as a new part.